Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Dwantro Fam, I have a baby. This is my baby. His name is Nitro. Yes, Nitro. Nitro is 5 months old, and we thought it'd be harmless to show him his reflection in the mirror. Kaso, mali ba yun? Last month, we were bombarded with angry comments from people because we showed him his reflection in the mirror. Debunk natin to mga Mars, mga pre. Una sa lahat, kailangan natin malaman kung saan nanggaling ang paniniwala na to. Some parents believe that bouncing a baby on your knee will lead to wrecking some nerves. Other parents believe that if the baby eats bread crusts before they're 2 years old, they'll have curly hair. There is even a thing in the Philippines called sukop, where if you get married in the same year as your sister, you will be cursed. All of these claims fall under one category: superstition. Mirrors are one of the most common items to raise superstitious beliefs. Ever since the early 19th century and even up to today, it is considered by some absolutely horrible to put your baby in front of a mirror. Some would say that if you do this, the baby will grow up to do something bad. He might become a thief. He might become a murderer. He might even die an early death. Ano nga ba ang katotohanan nito? Masama bang iharap si baby sa salamin o hindi? Research shows that putting a baby in front of a mirror is actually a great way to help them explore. When you put your baby in front of a mirror, you'll notice he'll reach out to touch the reflection. Eventually they will learn that that is not another baby, that is in fact themselves. You can play games with them in the mirror, like peekaboo. You can use mirrors to help them expand their vocabulary. You can point to their nose and tell them that that's their nose. Point to their ears, tell them that that's their ears. You can even talk to your baby through the mirror so that they can see themselves talking and see you responding. Showing a baby his or her reflection in the mirror can bring about many benefits, depending on what exactly you do with your baby in the mirror. It can increase things like visual skills, fine motor skills, gross motor development, sense of self, and even expand their language. Superstitious lang yung mga nagsasabi na bawal iharap si baby sa salamin kasi wala talagang masamang effect sa kanila unless, of course, you believe in that sort of thing. Kaya po, kung ikaw ang naniniwala sa superstition na yan, huwag niyo po kaming pilitin na maniniwala din kami sa superstitious belief mo. Kasi naniniwala po kami sa advice ng doctor na binibigay sa amin. So ayan guys, yan ang katapusan ng vlog natin for today. Oh, nagustuhan niyo ba yung setup natin? Ay, may mga fairy lights na tayo eh. Oh, diba? Social. Char. Okay guys, Nitro wants to say thank you. Yes, ito baby, kahit hindi ka pa marunong magsalita. Maraming salamat sa panunood sa vlog na to. Now, kung gusto nyo po magiging member or certified Dwantro Fam, sali na kayo sa amin by clicking the join button dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ito po ang mga certified Dwantro Fams natin. Ito sila. Silang lahat. Ayan. And shout out of course to our golden Dwantro Fams. Paul T. Maraming salamat po. Jocelyn Natividad. Tosca Acorda. Nati Voltien. And we have, sino yung isa? Nina Sanchez. Ayun. Maraming salamat po. We will see you sa next video natin. Okay guys, kita kits. Bye for now.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.